So you're getting ready to have a vendor table. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips to have a more successful vendor table. I have found over the years that vendor tables are an amazing way to grow your list, meet people, share more products, and just grow your business. So let's talk about 5 ways to get the most out of your vendor table. Tip number one, go there with a clear intention. Set a clear goal. Put it in writing. In fact, put it where you can look at it every day. Take time every day up until the day of the vendor table, that you have the vendor table, to actually imagine yourself meeting that goal. See it happening. Feel the feeling behind it. Don't let it be by coincidence or by accident. Set the goal, put it in writing, and feel and imagine it. Number 2, have a clear centerpiece, a clear thing that they notice. What I found with vendor tables is most people just put a hodgepodge across their table and you don't really know what to focus on. Have the main attraction be the main attraction. Always ask yourself, what do you want them to remember and what do you want them to do? Now, one trick is to use height. I often use a box or a riser underneath to take the most important thing and raise it up to be front and center. So what do you want to be the center of attention? What do you want the people who come to remember? What do you want them to do? Make that clear. Number 3, have a clear and compelling offer. Something that attracts them, something that's exciting. In fact, if you can involve them with an activity, I don't care if it's spinning a number to win something or an activity or something free that they can get or taste or do, the more that they can interact, the more success. Now here's a big one that is often forgotten: collaboration. When you arrive at an event, there's a lot of vendors. Build a relationship, give and receive, get to know them. In fact, if you know the vendors before the event, like you will at the Women Like Me event, get to know each other. Find how you can support each other. Okay, that is, and one final tip, number 5, don't get behind the table. That creates a barrier. Don't sit down. That's not inviting. Be up front, meet people, talk to people. So that's 5 tips for you to have the most success with your vendor. I'll be bringing another video right after this with 5 more tips. I pray this is your best event so far, and we'll see you again soon.